Hello everyone, this is Namrita and I am so excited to share my day with you. In this video, you will learn some new vocabulary words and phrases that will help you to improve your English. I will be mentioning their meanings here and in the description box below. So make sure to check them out and learn something new. If you are watching this video, I want you to pay close attention to what I am saying and try to understand the sentences I am using. Once you have watched the entire video, I want you to repeat the sentences with me. Even you can pause the video to practice repeating the sentences. And don't think that will not help you with your English speaking skills because I have improved my English by using this method. By this method, your confidence level will increase and you will be speaking better. So let's get started. I am on my terrace and enjoying the beautiful weather. I love spending time on my terrace. So it is my favorite place to relax. I can see the sky. It is so blue and so clear and the birds are singing. It is a perfect day to be outside. The fresh air is so refreshing and I feel so alive. As I am walking on my terrace, I am thinking about my day. I have some tasks to do and I am planning my schedule. I need to create some content for my channel. I'm excited to share new ideas with you. I am determined to do my best and make my content better for you. I take breaks during the day and I like to come to my terrace to relax and refresh my mind. The sky is so beautiful today. I love watching the clouds move across the sky. It is so peaceful and calming. I am feeling grateful for this beautiful day and the opportunity to spend my time outside. As the day come to end, I am feeling satisfied with what I have accomplished and I am feeling so proud of myself for staying focused and motivated. I hope you have learned something new today and I am so excited to share new with you in future videos. And guys, most important thing, if you having trouble understanding any of the English sentences I have used, so you can check Hindi meaning also in the description. I have mentioned Hindi meaning of the entire blog in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me. I will be sharing more videos soon and I want you to be a part of it. Practice repeating the sentences with me by watching this video in repeat mode and trust me, it is going to be very helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back soon with more exciting English contents. If you learned some new vocabulary and phrases from today's video, please do leave a lovely comment in the comment box about what you learned today.